Caleb, can you say thank you?
Thank you.
Can you say thank you for your prayers?
Yeah,
Say, I love you guys.
I love you guys.
Say, think of me when I'm gone, right?
Thank you, I'm done.
Mm-hmm. Say, we love everybody and we appreciate everyone's prayers, right?
Thank you, right?
Yes, yes. All right, say one more time, thank you for all my prayers.
Thank you, okay.
And say, we'll see you soon.
Okay, soon.
Say, wish me good luck.
Yeah.
All right, say, love you.
I love you.
And say, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Come here, over here, so everyone could see you. Come here. Okay, now say goodbye, everybody.
Goodbye, everybody.
Okay, say we'll see you soon. Thank you, everybody. Love you.
Bye,
Okay, say love you.
bye.